Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. I hope your families, your loved ones, and everyone's doing amazing. Okay, I've got some Born Pretty PR today to get into, guys. And I thought, you know what? The kids are at school. I just wanted to try something different, just like record in real time, talk to you all in real time, and I hope that this sounds good so that I can, save this audio. Otherwise, I will have to go back to voiceovers. So yeah, we're going to get into this parcel and I'm going to show you everything I got. I had to have a quick look in there, as you do, because just before you film, I don't want any surprises. Not that there ever is any bad surprises, but yeah. So I've got here the extension nail gel, the non-stick hand. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. There's some polishes as well, and I do believe builder gels. I'm calling them extension gels, and we're gonna swatch this stuff because I honestly can't remember the colors that I chose, but I just know it's gonna be awesome. Okay, just gonna get everything out and then we are gonna get into the swatching. Right, so this is everything we have. I've taken everything out of the packages. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got a jelly thermal gel there, and that's the color. We're gonna get into that. And this one is a quick extension gel, also gorgeous. Another quick extension gel. And this one is a jelly nude, and our extension nail gel, the non-stick stuff. So we're going to get into that, guys. Okay, so I've taken off the film, and this is a soft nude. So you can do so many different things with this stuff. Now you can use your hand. So I'm just going to get a swatch stick, and actually, yeah, well, it's alright. I've started on here, so I'll finish. And I mean, this is like some amazing stuff. And because it's non-stick, you can really, you can have fun with it. So definitely not just for sculpting the nail. I would definitely say you can use this for molding stuff, or for sculpting, charms, homemade charms. I mean, it's like magic. It really is. It's like some magic stuff. I love this stuff. And especially with, the season that we're in right now, you're going to want to make some stuff. So I do have this in a milky white color, which is awesome. And I just thought, you know what, this nude, like, we need this nude, and it's a soft nude, so it's not too overpowering. And even if I wanted to just leave this as a base, it would actually be awesome. So as I said, this stuff is weird. Now I've just done that with my hand. I am wearing gloves. I would suggest that you do wear gloves. We don't want to be touching the products with our bare hands. So definitely use gloves, even though Born Pretty use friendly materials, but we do know these are nail products, and yeah, you can use your hand, but let's just wear gloves and be safe. So that's awesome. I just done that with my hand. I'm gonna pop that in the lamp. Just close that. Okay, so we have a jelly thermal gel here, and I have a little swatch stick. And maybe we can use a big one because it's polish. Oh, I thought I'd open that one, but clearly I didn't. Ooh, I can't wait for this one. Look at the color. Guys, like, it's still Scorpio season. And you know, like, this literally looks like my gloves. Absolutely gorgeous pink. Oh, wow. I didn't expect it to be so beautiful. Well, when I mean, you know, sometimes when you see the swatches, you just kind of hope and pray. I need to get that in the lamp. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the lamp. Let's just do 30 seconds because I want to do another coat of that. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. I love it. This is a quick extension gel because that's in the lamp, and we'll wait for that to do what it needs to do. Oh guys, this one was nice. So it's like well, not like, it is a milky white color, but it has flakes. It has flakes. And I'm using this smaller swatch stick because, you know, you don't get a lot. It's perfect for your nail set. And really, look, you wouldn't really need much. Even if you're going to build your nail, your natural nail, I wouldn't say for long extendos, you know. So that's why we're using the little small tips. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. So I was sold. When I saw this, I thought, yeah, we can always add flakes, but the flakes are already added, so why not? So this, if I just use my arrow tool, you can see, and it's not very sticky, but because I would like to just give it a light buff, I am going to wipe that surface. And as I said, it's not as sticky, even down there. Just put some more alcohol on there. Yeah, I'm just touching to make sure, because I did do 2 minutes. Yeah, so that's awesome. I'll put that down there. I'm just gonna do another little coat of this extension gel because I love this, and you know we are gonna matte it. Envy, I'm gonna matte it. Not as good as you do it, but I'm gonna matte it because you know Envy gives good matte. She does. If you're not following my nail sister Nailed by Envy, please go over to her channel and do so. Amazing content. This is a jelly nude. Oh, this is a polish. Okay, I'm getting carried away. Let me do the second coat of this off camera, but I'll do this one on camera. Oh my gosh, look at this. I knew this color was going to be smashing. I just knew it. I knew it. I love it. I love this. I love it. It's like a red. I don't even know. I don't care. I just love it. And I don't know. I'm just looking at it and I'm thinking pop art. I can see. Oh gosh, this color is stunning. I'm going to show you what this color is again, in case you also fall in love with it. This is BP, if you can see that, JN19. Make a note of that. Okay, so we've done a few things. I did say I was going to matte that builder gel. Look how gorgeous that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see those flakes. And this was that pink polish. I matted it. I just put a little flake in there as well. So we're just going to leave that there and see if that changes back to pink on its own while I do the other nails. So this one is absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know what color to say. It's, I don't know, it looks kind of red, but it's not. but I love it. Mysterious. Wrong way. Honestly, these foils make me laugh. Wrong way, right way. All right. It's so weird. Can you see? I didn't put any foil glue down. I just wanted to just get the natural, to use the natural tacky layer, because I didn't want a lot of it. Again, if you hadn't guessed, I'm on the matte vibe, so I'm going to matte that now. And then this one is the extension gel. Like, you can do a set with this stuff, honestly. So I'm going to use some, I want to just try, this is blooming gel. Just want to see what it looks like. I still have one more polish to open, but I just love that gel. So I really want to see what it looks like. Okay. And that was this one? No. Must be, nope. This one. Jelly Nude. Oh my gosh. It definitely is a kind of nude. So I just wanna, with the blooming gel, and just see where it goes. Because, you know, it's a jelly color. And I'm already in love with it. Alright, so I'm just giving that brush a wipe on my tissue paper because we don't want to contaminate anything. No, we don't. That's gorgeous. I'm going to just leave that there. Bloom out. Bloom your little life away. And yeah, let's get into the last one, which isn't this. It's an extension gel. It's not that one, so it must be this one. Wait, did she send me two of the same? No way. No. Oh, they look similar. Okay. Okay. Now this is the other one. I know it looks similar, but it has got a pink hue tint to it. It's got pink tint. And once I matte it, I think you'll be able to see it when I compare it next to the Milky White one. Even I was just a bit shook, so I was just like, oh, wait, did I get the same? No, I didn't. Okay, guys, so this is how that nail is looking. Remember, I was just swatching that jelly. Then I started thinking of other Born Pretty things that I have that would go with that, because that's what's great about when you have products sometimes. I was just saying this to sister the other day, that maybe, you know, you could have some things that don't match, or you feel like you have nothing that goes with it. And then all of a sudden you'll get something and the penny will drop and it will make everything make sense. So this is like a reflective, shiny, hollow. When I swatched these colors, I thought they were so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I'm so glad I just remembered this just now. I do like that. I'm just going to use this little, you know, dotting tool and make sure I evenly spread it out. But look, I think that looks nice because we've still got the matte beneath. This just adds that extra, and I mean, you could make it a bit more raised and put some builder gel on there. You're asking to yourself, what is that? I don't know. Now this is the other nail. So off camera I did use some ink, but because it wasn't Born Pretty I didn't show it. And I did however use the Born Pretty 9D cat eye. Oh my gosh, it's giving very animal. I mean, I can't even show you. Like, I don't know. The jelly color is this side, and I did put a little bit of iridescent foil, but the color I've managed to get here, I'm gonna do a whole set of this because it's giving me very animal vibes. So that's the 9D cat eye that you can see shifting down there at the bottom. Just awesome. That's how that nail looks at the back. So yeah, I do love this. Ooh. Yep, I'll be doing a whole set, definitely. And this is that jelly pink. It's finally changing to pink because it's getting cold. Now these are the two extension gels. Remember I said probably when they cure. So I don't know if I put it against my skin, you can see the one to the right is definitely the milky white, and the one on the left has got a very, very faint pink. It's oh so faint, but I love it because it's like a milky pink. So if you have pink things that you're gonna use, it'll probably definitely help make that pink pop. But we love it. So yeah, those are the nails there, and there's that nail. Ooh, can you see? Oh my gosh, the reflective. I mean, I'm tempted to top coat it. So we are finished. That's the swatches, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please look out for more content using the amazing Born Pretty products. This has to be my favorite one today. Honestly, I was just playing around, and you see what I mean about this one. It's just all sorts of like beautiful goodness. Like if I could have sat down here and did so much more. If I didn't put that on top, it was giving very giraffe vibes. So I can definitely do that, but we weren't doing that today. This was a bougie animal, so this had to be glam too. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope I can save this audio. I hope it sounds really good and not weird. And then yeah, I would like to definitely do it like this moving forward and really make use of the peace and quiet I get when my children go to school. Yay. No, this one's my favorite. I'm doing this again. I will film that. I know you didn't see, but I had to sort of sort it out myself in my mind before I filmed it. So yes, I'm gonna film that. And again, the two extension gels, that's your milky white, and you can see a little hint of pink. All right guys, that's it. Love you lots. Please catch me in the next one. Bye y'all.